Hey you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my brows, especially when I'm wearing blonde wigs. I love to start by brushing my brows using a brow gel sculpting brush. This is by Maybelline. It is in the shade blonde. I purchased mine from the Dollar Tree, so it wasn't even $5. Okay, so I just like to go in and just brush it up. This is going to create this tacky feel on my skin and my brows, which I absolutely love because it's going to serve the purpose of the brow pencil. Okay, afterward I'm going to go ahead and take this brow pencil right here by Maybelline, also in the shade medium brown. Okay, but before that, you want to make sure that you comb your brows upward. This is going to create that natural look that we're going for. Okay, then I like to fill in only the parts that I need to be filled. For mine, it is the end of my brows. Okay, so that's where I focus on, just slightly filling it in. You don't want to be harsh with your brows. Again, you want your brow to look natural. Then you go in, you brush it up some more once again, and then I like to go in with the concealer that is as close to my skin tone as possible. No, I don't go one shade lighter. Sometimes I actually go a shade darker because I always like my brows to look as natural as possible. Okay, this is by Revolution. It is in the shade number 13. If you were wondering, I like to start cleaning my brows from the middle into the end, and then afterward, what I like to do once I do that is I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up from the middle to the center. When I do the middle to the center, I like to create that scoop and then clean the bottom. I very rarely clean the top of my brows. If I do, it means I'm using the same shade as the foundation I'm wearing, if I do end up wearing foundation. But this is how I typically do my brows. And then you brush because you don't want the inner of your brows to tell all the business. Okay, honey, you want it to look as natural as possible. So try my trick and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.